Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many of you may have encountered when trying to connect Microsoft Entra to Azure DevOps. The error message, "Unknown users have multiple identities with the same UPN," can be frustrating and confusing, especially if you're not familiar with the intricacies of identity management in Azure. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down what this error means, why it's happening, and most importantly, how to resolve it. We'll take a step-by-step approach to understanding the concepts involved, using examples and analogies to make complex ideas more accessible. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the issue and be equipped with the knowledge to troubleshoot and fix it in your own environment. So, let's dive into the heart of the matter. When you try to connect Microsoft Entra to Azure DevOps, the system performs a series of checks to ensure that the users and groups being synced are properly authenticated and authorized. One of these checks involves verifying the user principal name, UPN, of each user. The UPN is essentially the username and domain combination that uniquely identifies a user in Active Directory. However, in some cases, multiple identities can be associated with the same UPN. This can happen due to various reasons, such as duplicate accounts, merged domains, or even simple typos during account creation. When Azure DevOps encounters an unknown user with multiple identities sharing the same UPN, it throws an error because it doesn't know which identity to use for authentication. This is where the unknown users have multiple identities with the same UPN error message comes from. To resolve this issue, you'll need to identify and consolidate duplicate identities or correct any errors in user account information. One way to do this is by using Azure Active Directory tools to detect and merge duplicate accounts. You can also use data reporting features to identify users with multiple identities and take corrective action. Another approach is to review your organization's identity management processes to prevent similar issues from arising in the future. This might involve implementing stricter controls around user account creation, updating existing accounts to ensure consistency, or even conducting regular audits to detect any anomalies. To recap, the unknown users have multiple identities with the same UPN error occurs when Azure DevOps encounters an unknown user with duplicate identities sharing the same user principal name, UPN. To resolve this issue, identify and consolidate duplicate identities using AD tools. Correct errors in user account information. Review and update identity management processes to prevent similar issues. That's it for today's video. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the unknown users, have multiple identities with the same UPN error, and how to resolve it. If you're still having trouble or have further questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on Azure, identity management, and related topics. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.